This man cracked his knuckles every day for 60 years, and you won't believe what happened to them. His name is Dr. Donalds, and growing up, his parents always told him not to crack his knuckles because it was bad for him. But since it was so long ago, there's barely any info out there whether it was actually bad for you or not, so he decided to do an experiment. For the next 60 years, he cracked the knuckles on his left hand, but not on his right hand. Then after cracking them every single day for 60 years, he went and got an x-ray to see if there's any difference from his left hand to his right. After looking at the x-rays, the doctors came to the conclusion that there's no differences whatsoever.